What's going on? It is your boy Life of Pacheco. Guys, we're at another car show. We just got off work and they shut down the location here in Riverside. I guess they got tired of the Lowrider people hanging out. They said no permit, no car show. So, damn. Sick ass M4. Check that shit out. Fire. Anyway, so brought the whip back out. Looking clean. Thankfully it was only like 1 minute away, so it kind of works out. But we got it all here. We got the boy right here in his sick ass whip. Check it out. This thing's sick. All candied out, flaked out, patterned. Because the interior, super sick. We got a luxury sport Monte Carlo right here. There's just so much going on, guys. I'm so overwhelmed. You know me, I love my lowriders. We got a nice 66 pulling in. There goes the M4. Look at that Liberty Walk M4. That's crazy. And guys, I'm actually on the new iPhone right now, so hopefully the quality is still good. I just picked this one up a few days ago. I actually ended up forgetting the camera today, so sucks. But check out this luxury sport. Fire. With the Bud Light shifter, that's fire. Super clean. Man, I really want one. Hopefully soon there'll be a good deal out there and I'll snag one up. We got a cat eye step side. This thing's clean. I almost ended up buying one. It was a Cam's one out in Texas. There was a red one on bags, but the guy ended up not selling it to me. He wanted to keep it in Texas, so unfortunately I didn't get to buy that one. This 61 is so clean. Look at this, guys. Fire. So I'll show you guys this 61 real quick. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but check out the paint job on this thing. Absolutely fire. Check out the interior. This thing is done to perfection. Absolutely mint. 10 out of 10. 100 out of 10. That's how clean this car is. Got a nice little 62 right here. Clean. 57 and another luxury sport. Let's go. That's so clean. T-top. Fire. Damn, I see that Regal. Clean. I think it's clean. Nice high lock up. Fire. Blue and pink. That's fire. We got the popo right there, so we'll see what happens. Pink cutty. Check out the white 6.4. Clean. That one's sick. Damn, we got the whole bomb squad right here. Check it out. Love it. Beautiful. One day, guys, I'm gonna get myself a bomb. That is absolutely beautiful. Check how clean this thing is. That's sick. Got the whole lineup. I'm telling you guys, come out to these lowrider meets. You guys will not be disappointed. You have lowriders at every section, man. Come out. Man, you got a nice little 67 here. That's fire. Man, I love the way the body looks. Check it out. Beautiful paint job. Fire. Love the body lines on this car. So clean. A nice little 66. Fire. Another bombita. Damn, the homie stole my Coke. Hey, let me get it back. This is literally what it's all about, guys. Cruising. Living life. Having fun. And got more pulling in. Lady driven. The Tahoe gang. That's fire. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, nice bicla. This is clean. Oh no! 1, 2. You guys see it? Alright, the homie locked it up real quick. Check it out. Fire. Man, this thing's absolutely beautiful. If this was in my garage, I would just sit in it and stare at it, fall asleep in it. Yeah, this thing is mint. Straight from training day. That's clean right there. 58 convertible, high class. Fire. That's clean. We're gonna do a little walk. Man, that 67 is so fire. I ain't even cap. Let's see what else we got down here. Another 67 coupe, 63 rag, some bombitas, 63 fire. Seen this one in the last video. So clean. Love the mirror in the back. Gotta show it again. Every single time I see it, I gotta show it. And it's another one right there. Sick ass bombitas. The clean 57 right there. The breeze, that's fire. Man, you got a Grand National? Damn, lady driven Grand National. That's right. You guys know me, I miss my OBS, man. One day, I love the headlights. I really want these. If anyone knows where I can get them, let me know in the comments. Fire. Elko. Guys, check out these bombs. Man, I think it's so clean. Body lines are straight. Alright guys, check out this 65 convertible. This thing is absolutely mint. Interior's perfect. Absolutely beautiful car. Damn guys, check out this Impala. Like I said before, it's so clean you can eat off of it. Man, I think it's mint. Guys, check out this 57. Mint. Look at the paint. Oh, perfect. The lighting hit. Let's go. I think it's so mint. Look at the interior. Let's check out the mural. Where are my people at from Orange County? Santana. Clean. Santana. Alright guys, the lighting is getting really dark. It's kind of getting a little hard to see, but hopefully there's some more cars that pull in. It's all the way down there. It's a really great turnout. Shout out to Latin's Finest for hosting the event. More cars are still pulling in. We love that. So clean. But yeah, so I'll go to pick up the camera in a little bit and enjoy the time with some homies. And see you guys in a little bit. Damn, sick ass 3-wheel. Lean. My absolute dream Impala is about to pull in. Check it out. 60. One word. Damn. Just damn. Guys, look at the bombitas we have pulling up. Fire. My camera keeps going out of focus. I don't know why, but check it out. Wait. Absolutely, man. Oi. Damn. Fun fact, guys. 10 years ago, I've always wanted one of these. Camaro and IROCs. That's fire. In white though, in white. But look how clean this freaking Dolly C10 is. That thing's clean. Damn, this thing's sick. Another luxury sport. Fire. Damn, look at the paint. That thing's sparkling. That thing is so nice. Man, an absolute dream car for sure. Damn, I think it's meant. Look at that, lady driven 63. Man, I think sounds good. Nice little Elko. Damn, that paint job's sick. Oh, like candy. Flakes just going everywhere. Blue magic. Oh, yes! Fire! The homie right here. I'll put his Instagram right here, you guys. Check him out. Back to the red one. I want to show you guys the paint at nighttime. I just want to show you how much flake is in this car. Man, you can't tell me that's not beautiful. Yeah, homie brought the project. He said, "I'm still coming out." All right, back to it. Man, he's like, look at that. I'm telling you guys, imagine having this in your garage. Beautiful. I'd live in it. Man, this thing's so clean. Little magic. Seen this white 64 earlier. This thing is so nice. The interior. The roof, absolutely mint. Like I said, so clean, you could eat off of it. That thing is mint. Clean. OG. I'm telling you. Ladies' night for show. Clean. IROCs are like definitely one of my favorite wheels. Such a good style. Man, this thing's clean. Up. Nice 63. Damn, thing's clean. Man, this thing is so nice. Blue on that gold. That's clean. Fire. Yeah, I can tell you the stars in the roof. Alright guys, so pretty much that's going to conclude the vlog. I know it's a little short one, but man, it was definitely fun. All right, so I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Life of Pacheco, out.